You know, I don't think there's Tennessean out there that would deny that uh, the court system in the state is threatening to them. It scares them to death. And when I heard the testimony in particular today of people that you can tell by their passion, they're innocent, or they didn't feel like they were given a fair shot at what was being handed to them by the power of the state. It's compelling. It's compelling to the point that we can't ignore it as legislators, and we haven't been. And as you well know, there are those of us here in the legislature for a couple of years at least have been hot on the trail of institutions, both pseudo-judicial and judicial, that are denying the due process of our citizens. And that's totally unacceptable for whatever reason. And I've heard many, whether someone didn't see the fine print in the note that they needed to provide evidence, that they were going to provide testimony when they come to a hearing, and when they get there they're told they can't speak because they didn't comply with the administrative process of 7 days notice of providing evidence. And these are just ordinary citizens that may not understand the judicial process. Thus they are disenfranchised from something that's extremely important, something that we've died for as Americans, the right to have our say. I am encouraged that my colleagues, both Democrats and Republicans, seem to be shoulder to shoulder saying that this will not move forward into the future. And if you notice today that it's very unusual for our committee to do that, all of those commissions were sent forward without a recommendation. That's as close to being shot in the head by the legislature as you can be shot in the head by the legislature. So they're not out of the hot seat yet. There's going to be much discussion. But if you heard my warning, and it's a sincere warning offered as a patriot, the judges need to take care of their judges, and they better take care of their house, because if they don't, the people's house, this house, will take care of the judges. It's very important. They heard that.